Olha aí,
We're already
gurizada.
halfway through the process. Now watch this as it starts to clear.
Ele tá arrumando um crack. By the way, that's Portuguese. I speak Portuguese. Ele tá arrumando um crack no vidro aqui do carro. Tá tirando o ar da bolha. Oh, that's fantastic. Could you please say your name for the camera?
My name is Russ Wendell.
And he does repair. And before doing that, can I touch here?
No, don't look inside. That's my secret.
Okay, but he used the drill.
Yes.
But we cannot show too much, right? Because it's a professional secret. So that's what he does. He used the drill like a dentist, and he makes a tiny hole, and wow, it disappeared, man. What is the name of your company? Tell my friends here.
myrockchip.com. You can check us out on Yelp or Google Maps. We're the #1 Houston mobile repair service, and we'll come to you. All we need is your vehicle to be stationary for 20 minutes. We take insurance, credit card, cash, Venmo, Bitcoin if you